How can we calculate K critical for the previous question which we have done? Like suppose G of S, H of S would be equal to 1. So that would be K divided by, they have given S into S plus 3, S plus 6, right? So it would be K critical is equal to 1. Okay. So S value we have already calculated from the breakaway points. Remember, we got it as minus 4.73 and one of the value we got it as minus 1.27. Correct? So minus 1.27 is the value which we find out the on the real locus. Correct? So we'll consider this value only. Now let's put the value of S over here. Then it would be K critical divided by S is minus 1.27, so y minus 1.27 minus 1.27 plus 3 minus 1.27 plus 6 is equal to K critical. So if we'll solve it, then we'll get it as K critical divided by whole term is 10.39 is equal to 1. So what we got, the value of K critical is equal to 10.39. Okay, now you got it. K marginal is different, that was 162. K critical is different, that is 10.39.